This here is the IUanyware login page. So go ahead and click on here, and then you'll do your typical deal where you put in your login and all of that, and I'll see you on the other side. Now, your first time you likely came across that page, and so just essentially what you want to do is you want to detect the app, and you want to click on the boxes and then download it, and then eventually you should get a page that looks something like this. Now, you can also get to this same location via the one.iu.edu portal as well. So here we have your particular name should be somewhere up here, although it might look different for you as time goes on. Especially, you can add more stuff. We have apps and desktops. And so here, over the course of the first week, what will happen is the school will add a particular desktop. And what this is, a virtual desktop. This allows you, if you're using an Apple device or even a Windows computer, essentially what allows you to have a virtual desktop, a virtual Windows desktop or Windows PC on your own desktop. And this can get quite confusing and quite cumbersome, but hey, it is a solution for those of you who have an Apple device. And once again, Esri, the industry standard, is not designed for Apple devices at the moment. And so what we have here is a way for you to then store files on a desktop that's virtual and on your own particular desktop, your actual computer desktop. And it can be kind of confusing, but that's one of the things is as we go the semester, you start figuring out what works for you, what's the best solution for you. You can also, I believe, click on this remote lab and get things as well, although I am not for sure on that, so we'll see about that. Go ahead and we'll click on apps. If we scroll down, and you'll see ArcGIS Pro, and you'll click on that, and what will happen is you'll go to a page. This will pop up onto your screen eventually. It takes maybe a minute, maybe more, maybe less. And I've already done this, so this is why it's important that you read this particular page, authorizing ArcGIS Pro at IU, because there's a particular method. And so what happens is you have this sign-in page, and you have all this stuff, and maybe you've done this before, and I type IU here for another class. It's important that you do this sign in using browser. Very important you do it that way. So then when you do it that way, what will happen is the browser will pop up. And because I clicked on the sign in automatically, I can't show you this because I've already done it. So this is what will happen. And so this is one particular way, another way in which you can access ArcGIS Pro, in this case using the IUanyware platform.